Hey Diamonds, so in this video we're going to be using Canva. So you want to go to www.canva.com, and in the search bar you want to type in card and click on that. Canva has a lot of card templates to use. So you just want to click on any one of them. Canva does have a lot to choose from. Now this is the first option, to go ahead and use one of the templates that Canva has. The second option, which is the option I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be using a pre-existing flyer that I use for my business. I'm in the middle of rebranding, so I'm trying to still use the same colors, but I want it to be simple, not too busy. As you can see, this is like one of my first flyers that I made with Canva because I was trying to figure out how to use Canva, but my editing skills have gotten a lot better, so I'm just going to keep it simple. I don't want the hot pink anymore. You'll see that I'm changing the color to black, and eventually I'm going to delete the gold, but when I get to that part you'll see it. But I want to use a lighter pink just to add more of a simple feel to the flyer. Now, before I go in and start explaining more, I want to show you that these are frames. Usually you would put pictures in the frames on Canva, but what I do, I like to use them to put solid colors in to create a design for the background. So instead of just having straight lines and boxes on my flyer, as you can see, the frames curve, they have shape. So I like to put solid colors in the frames to use as background fillers. Okay, so here you could just see that I'm cropping the picture. I wanted to make sure that I had a picture of my face. So when I pass out the flyer and potential customers take it home, they know who gave them the flyer. So right here you can see that I am just cropping the picture to fit on the flyer, and then I'm going to add like my name and my title, which is business consultant. So right here I'm looking for the gold so I can put inside the frame, and I just wanted to outline the black with the gold. You'll see as soon as I adjust it and everything. But eventually I'm going to delete the gold and just keep it simple. Now on this clip you can see that I'm using one of Canva's templates. I'm going to be using the text from this template and put it into my flyer. So as you can see, the flyers on Canva are very easy to customize. Like, the customization is endless. You can use several different templates and take different things from those templates to put into your flyer. So I'm just going to be using the text, and I'm going to put my headline, what my business does, who my business helps. I also wanted to put more information in this flyer than the other flyer, so I'm adding a services section to my flyer and some cute little pictures to draw the attention of the clients while they're reading it. Some of the services that I offer to my clients are individual and group mentoring. I also make functional printouts that you can put in your binder or planner that helps you stay productive in your business. I also do custom logo stickers, and I have a beauty section where I make custom wig creations, and I have beauty accessories help my clients look professional while they're running their business. So this is like a pro tip when editing on Canva. Make sure you use your up, down, left, right arrow keys on your computer, because if you use a frame and you drag and drop the picture on top of the frame, the entire picture will go into the frame. So again, just use your arrow keys on your laptop, your computer, to adjust the pictures in the flyer. So as you can see, I did add a couple more items to my flyer. I wanted to add a review from a customer that I helped with her business. So you can see I added a review. I also added the titles to each picture. And at the bottom, you can see that I added the website and the logo. And I just deleted the last gold piece on the flyer. I felt like it was making it a little bit too busy being behind the pictures. So right here I'm just adjusting the pictures, and as you can see, I ended up putting a very cute outline around the flyer. Now, to make sure that you print these the same day, if you need a quick turnaround with your flyers, you can take this picture, you can take this flyer and download it to your computer, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you just download this PNG into your computer and go to Microsoft Office Word. When you go to Microsoft Office Word, you just insert your flyer into Microsoft Office Word, adjust it square in front of text so you can move it around, copy and paste another one. You have two options. You can print it at home with thick paper, or you can go to Staples and tell them to print it on thick paper for you. It's very affordable, and they will have your flyers waiting on you either the same day or the next business day. So that is how you can create your own flyer and have them printed out the same day. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.